people are saying, "Oh, we don't accept gay people in the gang culture." Just give me 5 years. Give me 5 years. I'm gonna be back at this motherfucking podcast, and I'm gonna bring all my gay homeboys up in this.
This the thing.
You're gonna grab milk off the calculator.
Yeah.
10 minutes out of man, we back with another reaction with the funny Hoover. Let's get it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.
Yeah.
Me and my
grab
gay
milk.
homeboys
Shout out
gonna
milk.
come through.
Grab
We gonna turn this bitch up.
Off the calculator, man.
Give me 5 years.
Grab milk.
Yeah.
You know milk, the white boy with the long.
I don't know him. Who is that?
Oh, yeah.
Tell me who Milk is. Who's Mirror?
Milk from your hood.
Mirror.
Mirror.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give you a prostate exam with this foot right here. Right here. Say something else.
The hell you ain't either. This ass, do not enter. Sign on it. Tattoo, do not enter back there.
Oh, he must not be
That's
nobody.
Remind me of Medea. Shout out Tyler Perry and Medea. Hey, get some great films
But
here,
he's
man.
a
Shout out
reject
Tyler
from
Perry.
Hoover.
Medea.
He's what?
He's a reject from Hoover.
They kicked him out?
Well, no, he won't go
I mean,
get his issue, his DP.
He won't go get
You know what
his
DP
DP.
is, right?
You know, DP.
I swear I would look.
Well,
I'm
DP is a
look,
squad. Hey,
I'm the biggest.
it's not your homies running in your booty.
This ass, do not enter. Sign on it. Tattoo, do not enter back.
It's not that. A DP is when you go in the alley and you got to squabble.
Yeah.
I'm just
look,
keeping it 50-50
I'm the biggest thing out of my
Respect
motherfucking
five.
city, so I don't know a lot of these bugs that y'all talking about.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Yeah.
But see, you know Hoover started here.
Oh,
yeah.
it started here.
You didn't know that?
Not only is you funny, but you don't know where your origins come from. So, 2 strikes, you white, man. Like, this why I don't take a nigga serious, bro. Because, like, how you represent something you don't know where it come from.
So you gotta get your
Well, y'all here to educate me, so go ahead and tell me.
No,
Because when I was
started
jumping
in
in, I
LA.
was.
There's a Hoover Street out here.
Y'all have a street named
Hoover
Hoover?
Street. That's
Yes,
where all
Hoover
your
Street.
homeboys
That's where
is
they
at.
Okay, well, I'm finna go over there when I leave
Do
here.
you know?
Oh,
do you
God,
know?
I'm gonna go over
Do
there.
you know? All right.
Oh,
do you know who Hoover Edgar is?
A lot
is
of
it
people-
J.
a lot of
Edgar
people
Hoover
out of state.
or Edgar J. Hoover?
I
What is
don't
it?
know who that
Is
is.
it J. Edgar Hoover or Edgar J. Hoover? J. Edgar Hoover. So J. Edgar Hoover is the person who started the FBI.
The FBI.
And,
So
yeah.
we the police?
No, I mean, but your street is named after the police guy, the Fed dude.
Oh, well, I don't think I want to be a Hoover no more because that's too much like the
my
police.
God.
I don't do the. See,
Well, you gotta go. You gotta go.
Look,
You already
let
out
me
here.
tell
Are
you
you gonna go over there and get put off? They gonna put you off, or you can go back to Texas and get put off?
No, I'm gonna put their ass off. Let me tell you what.
Hey, y'all people, make sure he's still alive and make sure he's still good. Because I know he got an ass whooping coming when he get back to where he's going to.
It's a lot of motherfuckers that go around here saying that, oh, well, gay people you can't be a gangster if you a gay and all that type of shit. What about all the
There's some gay men that would knock niggas out.
me? But let me tell you something.
I've heard a lot
What
of
about
prison
all the-
stories
Yeah.
about gay niggas knocking real gangbangers
Yes.
out.
Yeah.
That is the
And I
most
done got into so
embarrassing
many
shit.
fights.
They men too.
I got fights on
embarrassing.
YouTube. I
But
got
you know
fights
what?
everywhere.
That means
no
don't
gay man.
fuck with them.
Yeah, I'm not fighting no.
Now
gay
let me
man.
just say this.
I ain't doing
Now
that.
there's a lot of motherfuckers going around here saying that shit. What about all the snitches that's running around this bitch?
But see, we
What
put
about all
y'all
the
in the
people that
same. Where I'm
snitching?
from, we put y'all in the same category in gang banging.
So gay niggas is in the same
But
category
see,
as
some
snitching?
yeah. So like you can't.
Explain
So
yourself.
to be from the
Go ahead.
listen to this.
Go ahead.
You can't be from the set if you ever told on somebody or if you openly gay. You cannot be a crip.
But why
in
though? When
California.
I'm brave,
We gonna
But
get
hold
into
on.
that.
But
Hold
hold
on.
on. All the Crips that got life in prison is fucking boys in the ass.
Openly,
I'll run in your ass. Hey, you, the small one, bring your ass here. This is my yard. Hey, you want to check in with me, homie? You get shanked, homie. Straight up.
I'm new on yard. I heard that you're the one I need to come for some protection.
See, I get paid and hold my hand. You claim. That clear.
talking about
Openly,
openly
that's
gay.
openly on
But
the
I
prison
feel
yard.
Look,
like-
hold on. We
That's
gonna get
openly
it.
on the
Let us-
prison
Let
yard.
us figure out more about you
Go
and your
ahead.
background
Okay.
before we get into the
We can do
gang
that.
banging. 'Cause we
Crip
didn't
is
just
about
come here just for the
community,
gang banging.
revolution, and progress.
Yeah.
Giving
Okay, go
back
ahead.
and helping the community and still
Yeah.
gangbanging.
Yeah.
That's Crip.
We
Go
gonna
ahead.
get it.
When
We
did
gonna
you-
get into the gang
when
banging
did
later
you-
on. We gonna find more out about Tony, man.
When did you realize that you were gay?
So I realized I was gay when I was in my upcoming stages of being a Crip. And it was a higher ranking Crip member that was touching on me. And
You didn't squabble, cuz?
no, I liked the shit. So
You didn't fight?
No.
Why?
I liked it. I
Were
liked
you
it. What
always
was
a little
happening?
femme?
I was always who I am. Exactly.
So that's like
exactly how I'm rolling my neck and
it's like one of your OG homies touching on you.
Yes.
But you had
OG homie gonna rest.
Crip Mac really go put them paws on him, man.
So
Come on.
I started to
girl.
slowly realize, okay, this what's up. You know.
What turned you away from a big booty stitch's pussy and busting her coochie and asshole?
When I realized I wanted a big booty and coochie and asshole for myself, I wanted to have that.
I'm champagne for them, on dirt straight for them. You come sit with me, if you like change weather. If you want a little better, we can buy a grill wherever. Don't get too thirsty, get used to the cheddar. I wanna tell